What's up guys, hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. In this video I am going to share with you how you can make money from Maxbounty using Craigslist traffic. Everyone is familiar about the Maxbounty, which is an affiliate network from where you can find different affiliate offers, and if you promote these offers you can make money. And with respect to the Craigslist, it is an ad posting platform, so there are a lot of people who are looking for job opportunities. So what we are doing, we are finding the service offers from Maxbounty and we are promoting these offers to those people who are looking for job. Before going to start out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concept, and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9 to 5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. And for earning a full-time income from home, I will share my most recommended system in the description box below. I will also show you a success story here, and this is from the commission hero. So he has shared some of his result, $324. So this is just his first earning. So that's how people are getting results after joining that system. So I highly recommend you to everyone who wanted to earn money online, big money online, definitely look at that system. You can join that system by clicking the link in the description box below. And so now let's get started with the today's video. If you wanted to get a summary about this system or this method, this is a landing page. We will be using Craigslist ad posting platform, post an ad, reach out to people who are looking for a job, and these people then move to our landing page. And this landing page is particularly related to our survey offers. And survey offers, you can find survey offers from Maxbounty, and once people click on your affiliate link, they will move to the affiliate offer, and if they fill out a form like provide their email IDs or other information as required by the affiliate network, then you will earn money. Now let's move to the Maxbounty. And if you already have a Maxbounty account, just log into the account. If you do not know how to create an account with the Maxbounty, I have already shared different videos how you can approve on Maxbounty. So just watch those videos, and now click on search option. From here you can choose different survey offers and mobile optimized, my approved offers. So just CPA lead and click on search. And now you are seeing that just sort those results with the EPC. And now let's look at different survey offers. Let's suppose this is inbox dollars and US traffic, CPA rate 2.80. So just move through different survey offers and pick the right one which also has the highest EPC and which also provides you the good CPA rate. Let's suppose you have picked up an inbox dollar. So what you need to do, just create a landing page. I have already created a video about how you can create a landing page, so I do not want to show it in this video here because it will get too long. And if you do not know or still wanted to like me to create more videos on the landing page, so I will also create more videos in the future. So just create a landing page. You can use different tools like Thrive Architect, ClickFunnels, Insta Builder. So there are a lot of tools out there in the market. Just create a landing page, and after creating a landing page, your next task is to move to the Craigslist.com, Craigslist.org. So from here you can just move to the any city, New York, there are a lot of cities out there. So just move to the any city, and from here the gig section, just either click on the computer or labor. So let's suppose if I click on the computer tab, from here you will look at different people or different ads which have been posted by the people. Let's suppose earn $10 for every 5 app referrals. So already people have posted ads related to the survey offers. So eBay sellers can earn $200 weekly, earn $10. So just go through different people and different ads. So online purchasing pays well. If I just open up this ad, social media marketing, students midtown, looking for a college student. So that's how you need to post an ad. But keep in mind that in strategy 1 you need to pay something, because on posting an ad on Craigslist you need to either pay $5, $7 or $10. It all depends upon your location. So just for posting an ad, click on post, and from here choose the location. Let's post New Jersey, and job offered, accounting or finance, or you can also choose here gig offered. I have a service to offer. So please choose the category. From here you need to pick a category and you need to pay that amount, like $5. So that's how you can post a job. So everyone aware that Craigslist has a lot of traffic, millions of traffic coming on every day. So there is a chance that your ad will be watched by the hundreds of people, and if few people just move to Craigslist to your landing page, definitely you have a high chance of converting those people. But you may be thinking that you have to pay money, but don't worry, I will share you a free method here, how you can use the free method. So just move to resumes. Here people have already shared about their resumes and they are looking for a job, like student looking for a part-time employment. So just open up that profile and you can just read about what this guy has written, and you can contact this guy by clicking on a reply. From here you can copy his email address and you can reply to this mail by your Gmail account or any other service. So just tell about hey, you are looking for a job, I have a great opportunity for you. You need to work part-time and you can earn $200 to $500 per month, and just send this mail to that guy. And let's wait if you just received an email like he's interested or she's interested. So just send your landing page link to that guy. So just send that landing page link and say just follow the path or follow the guidelines as mentioned on the landing page. So if that guy move to your landing page and click on your read your catchy lines and click on the button in that landing page, then that guy will move to your affiliate offer page, and once he or she provides his or her email address, definitely you will get paid on Maxbounty. So these two methods are pretty simple, and you can either use the free one or you can also use the paid method, like $5 to $10 to post ad on the Craigslist, but definitely it does worth it. You may not see result on your first 2 to 3 ads, but definitely if you just get more experience by posting ads on the Craigslist.org, definitely you will start seeing some massive growth. And I have seen results. People are making $20 per day to $100 per day just from the Craigslist.org. I hope you like this video. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.